oil draining on Dan's 54 Chev. Clean. Nice. Decent. Oh, no, you're good. You're good. You're good. I'm just shooting this quick. Beautiful. All right, new filter came. We're full of oil. I'll put the filter on. Then I'm going to dive under the dash real quick, tighten up that starter switch, make sure that works good. Also, Scotty did say the windlace, he can do it. Be a couple hours, but do it, have you bring it back maybe in a week or two after concourse, because it's getting busy. Right, so we're done with our oil, and we're going to address a kind of loose ignition switch here. That's how loose that is. I'm going to pull the nut off of it. I'll turn everything off first. Pull the nut off of it, which is pretty easy to do with two hands. I can actually do it one-handed. And we're just going to add a little material. Yeah, so this is clear and all. So we're going to get a little piece of material and just put it just inside the edge of the threads. Yeah, like an O-ring or something, and it'll help grab it and tighten it down. All right, so I said the heck of it with the O-ring idea, and I actually got my tool out, because I do have a 3-prong tool for this, similar to the Ford ones, actually, and I've got about 3/4 of a turn out of it. Look, nothing moves. Solid. All right, oil's changed. Trans levels checked. Ignition switch is nice and tight now. Brakes are adjusted. A little test drive. Before we send our dear little friend here home. It's a beauty. I also did just slightly adjust the idle mixture on the carb and set the idle. The brakes are still a little squealy, but they're adjusted out so they engage quicker and smoother. So after a little while of driving, they should shut up a little bit. See? Shutting up a little bit. Ooh. Sexy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. The horn is the best part.